Welcome to our first ever unboxing video. Thanks for checking it out. Here we have an old trunk. It was filled with vintage toys, dolls, and collectibles. We got it at an estate sale for $20. When first opening, we weren't sure how profitable it would be, but as you're about to see, it was loaded. Pay close attention. These items most people would pass by or even consider junk. Seeing the Barbie wardrobe furniture piece was the first sign that this could be a worthy buy. We will insert comparable eBay sales. This Irish-made horse linen sold for about $40, free shipping. Ours is a little different but similar. A small Mattel Lucky Locket also sold for $40. The black bat toy dribbler also sold for $30. This Mark's Johnny Jane Westlaw is listed for $100, free shipping. As you can see, ours has some damage on the limbs. Next are two Barbie Midge dolls. We listed them together for $150. We took an offer of $25 on the Betsy Wetsy doll in the green outfit. The Barbie Susie Goose wardrobe ended up selling for around $50, free shipping, but just wait until you see what is inside. These blow-up gifts sell for about $15 to $20, but we haven't listed them yet. We had a full vintage Barbie nurse uniform. It sold for $75 due to slight discoloration on the dress. Still very happy with that sale. Here is a Barbie babysit set. The sold comp is a complete set, which is different from ours, but this is just to show you all how much value is in these items. This Barbie cheerleader set sold for around $75, free shipping. Look at this lot of Barbie shoes. You could definitely lot them up, but as you can see by this pair, there is plenty of value in piecing them out. Here are even more vintage Barbie purses and accessories. Our babysitter set sold for $45, but without the pink apron. By itself, a 1962 Mattel pretzel box sells for over $20. Just these tiny pieces are profitable. Over $30 for one Barbie book. Can we just talk about this How to Lose Weight book? On the back, it says, don't eat. But overall, this was a great lot. All the pieces are very small, both to store and to ship. We learned a lot about different collectibles to look out for when sourcing. Subscribe or comment below if you did too.